Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Vinted account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is simply the fastest way to find the official Vinted website if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in Vinted. Then start the search. When the search results appear, look for the official Vinted listing. In this example, you'll want to click the result labeled Vinted Sell Clothes Online. Make money selling clothes. Choosing the official site is important so you land on the correct page and avoid unrelated links or ads that may not take you where you need to go. After the Vinted homepage opens, look toward the top area of the page for the Sign Up / Login option. Click that to open the Account Access menu. This is where Vinted gives you the choice to either log into an existing account or create a new one. Next, select Sign Up. This tells the platform that you want to create a brand new account rather than sign into one that already exists. Take a second here to make sure you're choosing the right option, especially if you've used Vinted before on the same device. Once the sign up page appears, choose Continue with Google if you want a quicker setup process. This option can save time because it connects your Vinted account using your Google login, which is often more convenient than typing everything manually. If your browser is already signed into Google, this part may be especially quick. You may also notice an email option on the same page. In this walkthrough, the account is being created using Google Sign-In, but if you prefer, you can choose email instead. If you go with Google, simply follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Depending on your device or browser, you may be asked to select a Google account and confirm that you want to proceed. As you move through the final prompts, read each screen carefully so you understand what permissions or details are being requested. This helps make the setup smoother and ensures you're creating the account the way you want. And that's it. Once you complete the on-screen procedure, your Vinted account setup should be finished and you'll be ready to start exploring the platform. Take your time during sign-up, make sure you're on the official site, and follow each prompt closely for the easiest experience.